Well, I finally got the Allison in. She's running beautifully. Barely hanging down. Really not as low as the differential. The adapter kit puts the starter on the passenger side. Modified stock cross member, 1480 front U-joint, 1410 rear U-joint. Right now she's straight pipe to there. Had to modify the down pipe to get it in there. On my way to the muffler shop, but I know my nephew Alan will love the sound of this thing. Stock tune. Wiring harness kit and bell housing adapter. Motor plate is from CA Conversions out of Florida. Transmission was built by Hulon Fox Transmissions out of Dallas, Texas. Triple disc clutch. Stock motor. I like it quiet, so I'm getting that exhaust hooked up right as soon as possible. At first I thought I'd give Alan a shout out. Say, hey, I know you like it. Truck's a 91.5 intercooled. It does have a HX35W with a 12 centimeter exhaust housing. Other than that, she's basically stock. And of course the Allison. She even got the stock falling off paint. I'll get that resolved eventually. Temperature gauge in the middle, EGT at the bottom with a fast response probe. It responds within 125 nanoseconds or 0.125 nanoseconds or seconds. Top one is boost. Fire in the hole. As far as inside the cab, that pipe's coming out right about here, right beside the transmission. Shorten the brackets for the seats so that it lowers me down, gives me room for my tall head. I'm still used to the shifter. It don't do nothing no more. Shifter isn't as labeled. It's got reverse, neutral, drive, manual, and then you use, I got to build the mount for this still, but you've got a tap shift, and that does your up and down shifting if you don't want to run on the off with the computer doing all the shifting for you. If you want to run it like a manual transmission, you can. downshifter. Six-speed automatic Allison. For some reason I have to check up on the throttle to get it to shift past third gear. Wide open.